In this video, I will show you how to create a playlist on TikTok. If this guide helps you, please consider subscribing to the channel and giving this video a like so others can find it. So first, open the TikTok app on your phone. Once you do, go ahead and tap on profile at the bottom right. If you want to create playlists on TikTok, you do have to have a public account. So let's say I posted this video on TikTok and I want to add it to a playlist. What I'm going to do is tap on the three dots that I see right here at the bottom, and I'm going to scroll to the right and select add to playlist. Now, as you can see, I have different playlists for my TikTok, but I can simply create a new one by tapping new playlist. Go ahead and give your playlist a name and tap on done. And that's it. Since I created a playlist from this video will be automatically saved to this playlist. As you can see, if I open up the fun playlist on my TikTok, I'm able to see it right here. Keep in mind that you might not see the option to create a playlist on your TikTok account. If you just created your TikTok account, chances are that you won't be able to create playlists. It depends on every single account, but sometimes you do have to meet different milestones in order to have this feature available, like a number of followers or views. And that's it. Remember that having your videos organized in playlist is going to help your viewers watch all your videos in a more engaging and entertaining way. Hope that helped.